A question that has come up is, how do I get all the tools that I need to properly install a Swagelok tube fitting? So we came up with Swagelok's Tube Fitters Toolbox, the ultimate set of installation tools. In the toolbox, you'll have Swagelok's tube benders, Swagelok's pre-swaging tools in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, a tube cutter, a deburring tool, Swagelok's ratchet wrenches, T-wrenches to help hold T's and elbows in place, and Swagelok's Tube Fitters Manual, the ultimate guide for tube fitters. All of this in a hard-sided case. Swagelok's Tube Fitters Toolbox, one more tool designed by Swagelok to help you do your job easier.